Hey guys, my name is Nicole Scott, and today we're going to be talking about how to build business credit. Hey guys, my name is Nicole Scott, and today we're going to be talking about how to build business credit. It is a topic that a lot of people talk about, but not a lot of people want to give you all of the steps. So they make it seem like it's so easy and anyone can do it. But I'm here to tell you there is definitely a process that you need to go through. There are strategic methods that you need to use in order to establish your business credit and understand what the hell you're doing. So that's what I'm here for. My name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott. I help entrepreneurs with business credit, with personal credit, with credit coaching, with business coaching, and a lot of other things. So you can always head over to our website, therealnicolescott.com, or you can check out some of the links below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you are looking to start a business, start a credit repair business, build business credit, build wealth. You are in the right place today, folks, because my name is Nicole Scott and this is what I do. I fired my boss 1 year into my business, and now this is what I do full-time, day in and day out. So things are always changing, things are always updating, but I try to give you the realest and the most valid information for you guys to make an educated decision on. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about some of the vendors that you can actually start building business credit with. And this is so awesome because a lot of these vendors are not going to be dependent upon your personal credit. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Hey guys, my name is Nicole Scott. In today's video, we're going to be talking about creative analytics and why you should start building business credit even as a brand new business. Even if you don't have a good personal credit score, creative analytics is a great resource for you guys to start using to start building business credit, because all that business credit is your ability to repay back debt as agreed. Your payment experiences. Can you pay your bills on time? Yes or no? We need to see that on paper. Okay. That's what the underwriting department is saying. Hey, if you can pay your bills so great, let us see it on paper. Okay. So that's what we're doing today. So with creative analytics, it's a great way to start building business credit. And guess what? They only require that you've been in business for 30 days. So even as a startup business, you can start building business credit almost immediately, because believe me, when you're a business owner, 30 days goes by so fast, like, okay. So it does, there is a fee to join, but it's a good thing because you want to start establishing your credibility as a business owner, okay? And it's a very, very easy approval. So it's $79 a year. There's an annual fee of $79 a year, and that's for an initial credit limit of $1,000. Now, you can actually pay a little bit more. You can actually pay $49 to $149 a month. There is no annual fee. It's actually a monthly subscription. So it's kind of like business credit on autopilot. And a lot of people would prefer that because the initial limit is up to $12,000. Okay. Did you hear me? I said the initial limit is up to $12,000, and there's no time frame that you have to keep it. There's no contract or anything like that. So it's a great way for you to start establishing those business trade lines, trade references, payment experiences. Now, of course, once you get the credit line, you want to use it so you can actually buy something and pay it so they can report your payment experience to the credit bureaus. Okay. So let's look at some of the awesome features when it comes to creative analytics. Now, they're saying to qualify for any business account, your entity must meet the following criteria. And I talk about this all the time. So if you guys have not watched my other business credit videos, make sure to watch that playlist. I'm going to drop the link for the playlist below here. I also have my business credit ebook that has a ton of business trade line vendors in there. and that is less than $100. So you must operate in the United States. And in that ebook, I show you exactly how to establish your business, set up your business, and become a fundable business, because you have to be fundable, right? You must have an IRS issued tax ID number, which is your federal EIN number. EIN number stands for an employment identification number, and that is issued to you by the IRS as a business owner. So it separates your business from your personal, right? And that is your business's social security number. Okay. And you can get that for free from the IRS once you have registered with the state, or you can use InkFile to do everything for you for a little bit of nothing. Okay. You must have a Dun & Bradstreet issued DUNS number. So once you get your business established, once you've set everything up, you want to go ahead and apply for your DUNS number with Dun & Bradstreet. You must be established for at least 30 days, must not have any derogatory business reporting or delinquencies, because again, they want to establish your ability to repay back debt as agreed. And that's the most important thing when it comes to building business credit, is they want to see, can you pay your bills on time? Are you trustworthy? Okay, ask yourself that question. You have to be very responsible. So don't go and open a bunch of these business accounts, not have the funds to pay your bills, because then you're going to be in a heap of trouble because you're not able to pay everything as agreed. And these are based on your payment experiences. Okay, so Creative Analytics has a lot of different digital products and different things that you can actually buy. And of course, the applicant must be an authorized officer of the organization. So if you are the registered business owner, you can apply on behalf of your business with Creative Analytics and start building business credit as early as 30 days into business, which is super amazing. And I'm telling you, for you to get an initial limit of up to $12,000, that is going to be dependent on how your business is structured. Do you have a business address? Do you have a business telephone number? Do you have a business website? Do you have a business email address? Okay. These are all things that you need to have established. So even if you have, just a small website, that's fine. A landing page, some sort of business website where they can verify that you are in fact a legitimate business, right? That's all that they want to see. They're going to look at your business website, and you need to make sure that you have one and it looks good. So if you need help with a business website, head over to our website, therealnicolescott.com. Again, that's therealnicolescott.com, because we provide websites. We provide business services, business coaching, credit coaching, and so on. So this is a great account to go ahead and get yourself established. And here are some of the most frequently asked questions for some of their applications. How long is the business process? How long does it take to process my application? Well, it's pretty quick, 3 to 5 business days. Okay. Invoicing terms, they're net 30. What kind of products and services do they offer? They have a bunch of different digital products, email marketing, social media stuff, different types of digital products. Can you pay your application fee by phone? They're unable to accept payment over the phone because, of course, it's a liability. So you have to do it in your account. And how do you know if you've been approved? Upon approval, you'll receive an email that's letting you know what to do. Once you've been approved, what do? You'll receive an approval email. You want to make the minimum purchase of $100 for the first reporting. Any application fees paid include towards your initial minimum purchase with your charge account. So again, a minimum purchase fee of $100 must be made in order for them to report to the business credit bureaus. Okay. Now you can actually call them to verify who they are reporting to, because that is not one of the items that they have gone over in the FAQ. And it's oftentimes something that can be kind of secretive with a lot of these places because of the fact that it changes. Things are always changing. Sometimes they'll report to Dun & Bradstreet, sometimes they won't because they're having issues with them. But Creative Analytics is an amazing tier 1 business credit account that you definitely want to sign up for if you are looking to build business credit. Okay. And the great thing is you only have to be in business for 30 days. So they specialize in helping businesses that have, the early stages of their business and that have their business set up properly. Okay. So you can actually get a trade line of up to $10,000, which is amazing because there's not a lot of places out there that will actually, reach that high of a credit limit, especially with a brand new business. So if you do have any questions, you can always reach out to them to find out exactly what bureaus they are currently and actively reporting to. But you want to make sure that you understand your terms, know when your bill is due, know what you're exactly signing up for. So if you're still unsure if this account is best for you, you can go ahead and call them and contact them, let them know that you were referred over by us so they can ensure that you are taken care of well. Because I'm telling you one thing, creative analytics is definitely one of my go-to. I actually used them when I was first starting to build business credit. And the crazy thing is, when I started building business credit, there was only one option. The only option was the $79 annual fee. There was no monthly fee that was available. So unfortunately, I was not able to take advantage of that. But they did help out a tremendous amount. These are some of the services that they offer. A lot of these things, can get costly. So I recommend just finding something that's around $100, buy it, and then, pay it and let it report. Okay. So until next time, guys, make sure that you have subscribed, liked, commented on my video. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know, but I definitely need your support in just hitting that thumbs up button. Okay. Hitting that thumbs up button, showing me some love, so that way this video can get out to more people. And go ahead and get signed up for Creative Analytics if you're looking to build business credit. I'm going to leave the business credit playlist in the links below, so that way you can view all of the videos about building business credit.